Hi, this is my web novel I've designed. This is my front page. Now, the front page is filled with slides, coffees, and now we're going to register. In order for you to register, you have to validate everything. You have to make sure that your username is not blank. Let's put a test. Before that, let's see what user do we have. We have an admin, level 1, and we put an email address, password. Oh, username of email. Yep, has already been taken. So we're going to put another email. Now created our account. Now let's check whether we did register the account or not. Yes, there is test ID 6. We're going to log in. Log in. You'll find out that when you log in, you have a profile setting and password setting. This is the profile setting. You're allowed to put your name and description. Let's say we put a lovely. I love myself. Let's update. We go back to profile. See, it's a lovely and I love myself. Now we go to password setting. In order for you to set a password, you have to make sure that the existing password is correct. This can be seen in change password. We will check whether the password is correct or not. See, we'll hash the password, the new password first. DDW1 password. Check, verify whether is it correct. If it's correct, then the new password will be updated. If it's not, we will say error will change. So let's put the wrong password. Let's put a new password. Oh, there's an error while changing. Put the correct password. And we have successfully changed. Now, there's a difference between level 1 and level 0. One is admin and one is not. So how does an admin page look like? It's almost the same, except that you have an admin setting. What does admin setting do? It lists out all the users available, the ID, the name, the level, and it allows you to change the level of each ID, including yourself. So we change the level ID to 2. 2 is actually a banned account. So let's try logging in again. Your account has already been banned. So there's nothing you can do except log out or contact me. Now let's try login admin again. See, home is the same, tag us is the same. What's special is novel. I list out every novel there is in my web, in the database. Instead of creating many URLs, I create only one PHP. The PHP is novel listing. What I do is I get everything from the database novel and I list them out. I echo them out, each and every one of them, until there's none left. So the special thing about here is the link that I'm linking them to. Whenever I'm linking them to, I pass by a value or ID. This is the user ID. This is the book ID. So whenever I click the link which goes to the book, which is this books, you will get the ID, the value, which is going together with the URL, and it will list out everything there is using the ID. Let's try. This is the first ID. So as you can see, the value is 1. And it is books. As we have seen, books gets the value and it lists out everything. Let's go back. Let's try this. Okay, value is 8 and it will list down this value 8. Then what happens is, next we can see that we have a forget password setting. So what does forget password do? It sends an email which allows you to reset your password. First, you have to check the email whether it exists or not. This is the code for checking. We'll validate whether the email exists or not inside. This is for validation whether the email is valid. This is validation for whether the email exists inside the database. If the value exists inside the database, the same thing will happen. We'll use a PHP mailer and we will mail them the link with their ID. It's the same concept for the book where the URL consists of a variable ID, variable value which is equal to their ID, and we will be get from. Let's try and see. This is the second email we have. We also send an attachment together just for the sake of making it look beautiful. Message has been sent, so let's go and see whether our Gmail has the message. Okay. Yep, we have it. Now, this is our value 6. Let's click reset password. 3, 4. Try and log in and see. Yep, it's available to log in, but because the account is still banned by the admin, so there's nothing much we can do. That is all for my web. The search button actually is still in implementation. It can actually show you all this, but if you search for name, it won't work yet. That's all. Thank you for watching.